Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all are fine. Today in our lesson we are going to write ray. This ray is in round shape. It's called cursive ray in sulh style. In Arabic calligraphy we have three types of ray. In our previous video I gave you a lesson of two types ray, and this is third type of one. It's in round shape. From the downside it's in cursive shape. So this is your today's lesson. I hope you understand how to write ray. I request you to like and subscribe the channel, and also see all the videos with details if you want to learn the calligraphy in proper way. Thanks for watching. Thank you.